A galaxy is a city of stars, gas, dust, dark matter and black holes bound together by gravity. Galactic families are formed by elegant spirals, rounded ellipticals and ragged irregulars shaped by history and environment. In spirals, a bright bar or bulge anchors the center while star-forming arms curl outward like pinwheels. Edge-on, dark dust lanes trace the disk, cold clouds where new stars ignite behind curtains of soot. Ellipticals glow with older stars and little gas, stellar retirement communities built by ancient mergers. Irregulars look messy because tides and starbursts tug and sculpt them into surprising shapes. Astronomers sort galaxies by appearance using the tuning fork, a guide to structure, not a rigid family tree. Our home, the Milky Way, is a barred spiral with sweeping arms and a thin, starry disk. The sun rides an arm between inner and outer tracks, orbiting the center every 200 million years. Near the core, dust hides a supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A, surrounded by fast-orbiting stars. Ancient globular clusters swarm the halo, dense spheres of very old stars orbiting like distant bees. Stars far from the center orbit faster than visible mass allows, evidence for unseen dark matter. Gravity bends light. Heavy clusters act as cosmic lenses, warping background galaxies into arcs and rings. In spiral arms, gas piles up, compresses and sparks nurseries of hot, short-lived blue stars. Starbursts burn through gas in a hurry, forming stars at furious rates after collisions or waves of compression. Some galactic centers flare brilliantly as active nuclei, powered by matter-feeding supermassive black holes. The brightest of all, quasars, shine from the early universe, lighthouses visible across billions of light-years. Galaxies often meet. Tidal forces pull out starry tails and bridges as gravity choreographs a slow dance. Over time, mergers can scramble disks into rounder ellipticals and quench star formation as gas heats or is used up. Big galaxies grow by snacking on dwarfs, leaving faint streams of stars, crumb trails in the halo. We live in the local group, a small neighborhood where Andromeda and the Milky Way drift together. In about 4 billion years, those two giants will merge, reshaping our sky with grand new arcs of stars. Beyond, clusters pack hundreds to thousands of galaxies, hot X-ray gas and dark matter into colossal cities. On the largest scales, galaxies trace the cosmic web, filaments of matter feeding clusters at the nodes. To measure distances, astronomers use standard candles like Cepheid variables, stars whose rhythms reveal how far they are. Type Ia supernovae add another yardstick, showing that cosmic expansion is accelerating. The Hubble-Lemaitre law links distance to redshift. More distant galaxies race away faster as space itself expands. Point Hubble at an empty patch and thousands of galaxies appear, time capsules from the young universe. JWST peers farther in time, finding surprisingly mature structures when the universe was still very young. Each wavelength reveals a layer. Radio maps, jets, infrared sees dust-wrapped stars, X-rays spotlight violent cores. Some galaxies are large but ghostly, with few stars, ultra-diffuse worlds shaped by tides and dark matter. Others are tiny and dim yet vital. They trace our galaxy's growth through the fossils they carry. Bars stir disks, funneling gas inward to feed starbursts or quiet black holes, then slowly dissolve. Matter flows in the gas, inflows light new stars, outflows from supernovae and jets regulate growth. Even galaxy tails can spawn new small galaxies, recycling starlight into fresh neighborhoods. Around us, delicate star streams, remains of swallowed dwarfs, lace the halo like pale ribbons. A gentle nudge from a passerby can wake a sleepy disk, igniting rings and waves of newborn stars. You can help classify galaxies online, millions of eyes spotting patterns that algorithms miss. Behind each image are mirrors, sensors and teams keeping instruments stable enough to measure whispers of light. Data from many telescopes, ground and space, combine into a fuller portrait than any single view can give. Shapes, motions, distances and colors tell how galaxies live, grow, collide, and fade. Knowing other galaxies helps us know ours, where we are, how we got here, and what comes next. From star nurseries to the universe's scaffolding, galaxies sketch the story of structure in space. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.